How to get 6-digit code in Microsoft Authenticator app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get a 6-digit code in Microsoft Authenticator app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is simply head over to account.microsoft.com or head over to microsoft.com. After you head over to Microsoft.com, make sure that you're logged in into your Microsoft account. So if you're not logged in, you can tap on the sign in button on the top right and log in. After you log in, tap on your profile icon on the top right and head over to My Microsoft account. After you're there, you will be able to manage your account from here. After you're here, on the left hand side, the left sidebar, you'll find the security option. Tap on it. After you tap on the security option, here you will be able to add your two-factor authentication. So tap on Manage How I Sign In. And after you tap on Manage How I Sign In, you can then scroll down and there you'll see Additional Security. Head over to Two-Step Verification and turn it on. After you turn it on, tap on Next. So just tap on OK and head back here. Tap on Next. So yeah, just download this first. After you download your Microsoft Authenticator app from this QR code, you can then head over to your Microsoft Authenticator app, tap on the QR code that's available there, and scan the QR code that will pop up right here after you complete the logging in process. After that, whenever you try to log in into your Microsoft account, you will be given a 6-digit code which you will need to add to log in into Microsoft. And that's basically how you can get the 6-digit code in your Microsoft Authenticator app. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.